Hey guys, so my dad will be rating all my fidget toys. Go ahead and say hi.
Hi.
So, let's just get on with the video because I know this is going to take a long time. So go ahead and pick a fidget toy you want.
What, anyone?
Yes.
This one.
This one. Okay, I recently just got this one, and honestly, it's super good. Okay.
What, you want me to rate this
Yes.
one? I think this has to be, I would have to say, I like this thing a whole lot. It's a good popper. It pops good, but my fingers are kind of fat, so I'd say an 8.
An 8?
Yep, I'll give it an 8.
Okay.
It's a pretty good popper.
This is me doing it. It's really good. I'm not going to say where I got it from because I know you guys won't have one of them, I don't think.
Probably not.
Yeah, you guys won't have a little Nashville. And it's not Nashville, so don't even say you have it because you don't. But, yeah, it's really good. So, 8 out of 10?
It's in Brown County.
Yeah, okay.
Here's another popper.
I'll Peppa Pig one.
This is a little Peppa Pig one.
It's,
and this thing's really soft. It don't hardly pop good.
it don't pop all the way.
No.
Go ahead and show them what we mean.
Very.
See, look.
You pop it and it don't hardly make no noise. They don't push in all the way.
Yeah, I don't recommend this one.
So I would say I'd give that one a 4.
Yeah,
4
and
or
listen,
5.
guys, listen. It's not really that loud.
No, not really.
It might sound like it, but no. I don't even like that.
It just feels really weak.
I might scam somebody with that, honestly.
Oh, everybody. Do you know what this is?
It's called a marble mesh.
Marble mesh. I give these a 9 or a 10 because I like
They're super
these.
satisfying and they're super, easy for school. Nobody...
I think that's a 9.
Yeah. And how they come in different colors.
Here's another Poppet.
That's another Poppet.
I think this is a pretty good one. Not as good as the first one as far as popping, but it's got more colors.
And it's super soft.
Yeah, it's super soft. I'd say an 8.
An 8. I got this from a fidget pack. You'll see a couple more rainbow Poppets. So
what do we have
here. So these are ASMR pods. I got these for Christmas, I think, right?
I think so.
Yeah, I got these for Christmas. And they're basically just... If you ever seen ASMR bars, they are the same thing, but in pods. So they're really cool.
They are?
Uh-huh.
What do you do with it?
Just take one out.
Maybe. Oh, I remember these.
Don't pull it. You'll break
I
it.
remember these. Never mind. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll give these an 8 too. 8 or a 9. They are kind of cool.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me go ahead and get all the marble and mesh out. Oh, I really just got that today.
Recently got this. Neato.
Oh my God.
Neato.
It took us 4 months to find them because they literally just ran out everywhere. I don't know why.
I like these.
Let me
I'm
go
going to have to say a 10 on these.
Let me go ahead and get all, oh God. Let me go ahead and get all the mesh and marbles out since we already rated them. I have a lot, honestly.
10. I give
Can't
the
really
Neato
rate
a
the
10.
pop tube.
Here's another silly Poppet.
Not silly. Wait, I don't know. Yeah, these are
This
all
is a good
my mesh
popper,
and
too.
marble. I have a lot.
I'm going to give this Poppet a 9 because it's
I have
pretty
more
good.
somewhere. Yes, this came in a
It's got
fidget
different
pack.
colors, and it's really stiff, so it pops good.
And it's a square one, so it's even, amount on Poppets.
Yeah, so what brand is this?
I don't know. I got that from the fidget pack
Oh.
on Amazon.
It's a good one, though.
It's really
10.
good. It's really good. Oh, God, they can't see you. So that is another one from these. These came in an all fidget pack.
Same brand?
Yeah, same brand.
Oh, yeah. No wonder, because it pops good. I can tell. Yep, I give this one a 10, too.
Guys,
Excuse me.
Guys, also, we found a baby snapping turtle in our yard. I
Yes,
guess
we
it's a
did.
baby. Is it a baby?
We got
kind
it.
of.
It's kind of young.
Yeah,
still.
it's really nice. It just don't like to be picked up. No.
Don't pick it up, because he will bite you.
Yes, he tried to bite my dad.
A couple times.
Well, he
This
probably felt
is
right. A dimple.
Dimple, and this is a really good one. It pops really good. I like it. So I got to give this about a 9 because I could play with these all day.
Except we have to be really careful with those because Simples likes to break.
Yeah, but if you treat them right,
not push them down
hard.
like Layla.
Yeah.
I mean, she is 4. She's 4. This is a Dimple Duo. These are really rare. You can't find these.
And they push.
Shout out to my friend Lucy. She's the one that traded me that.
And they popped the best. This is it. You know what this is going to be. A 10. You know it will be.
And it's the actual real Fat Brain toys.
Pop.
Because look, it does that. I don't know why.
Definitely a 10.
Like this, I don't know why.
Let me see.
It's fine. It's fine. But anyway, it's the actual Fat Brain toys, see? And it even says Fat Brain toys. Okay, so you fix that while I go ahead and...
What's this?
Snake.
Snake. And these...
They're not that bad.
No. I give these like probably a 6 or something.
Yeah. And plus mine's broken, guys.
Yeah,
Look.
that's what I was getting ready to say. This one's been broke.
Oh,
yeah, these.
Dude, Sadie's in here. Sadie's in here.
This really freaks out our dog, I have to say. She's getting up now and trying to head out. But I'm sorry.
And that's the problem because 4 of them's coming in my fidget pack.
I really like these, but we just can't play with them in the house much. Because our dog is little nuts. And then this is another Pop-It.
From Kroger.
Kroger grocery store.
From my dad works
there. It works
there.
all right, but it's not the best one. But it's better than a couple of them other ones we had.
Okay, guys, do not buy Pop-Its from Walmart. Do not. No, those look bad. I couldn't even pop them.
I'll give this one a 7. It pops all right.
Yeah, it's pretty good too from Kroger. Like, it's $6 from Kroger.
This thing, if you ever get these
things, it's called Splatball. It gets dirty a lot.
You're gonna have to wash it a whole bunch because
a monkey noodle on my arm. Everything, like a monkey noodle even did. Like, here, rate it, dude.
I would have to give that like a 5 because they just get too dirty for me. All you get done is washing.
I mean, they're really good quality because I have this since December.
You can squeeze the heck out of it without it breaking or his guts coming out.
It's water in it, I think, anyway.
And this is a monkey noodle.
Do not
like to smack her with these. She loves it.
It hurts, honestly.
I like them though. Well, these I give probably like a 7 or an 8.
I don't really like them. I give them a 1 because they're boring.
Oh yeah.
And plus mine has a knot in it. I don't know.
This is a
wacky
track.
Wait, crap. I have more wacky track.
Yes, she has a bunch.
Okay, since I have 2 of these, we'll
you can put them together, or
we both will rate 1.
Okay.
We'll give okay, you go first.
I think I would give it about, because I like the noise they make, and you can put them together and do stuff. They're a lot better than snakes.
Yes.
I would give them an 8.
I'll give them a 9 because they pinch my fingers, and it kind of hurts.
So you give them a 9 for hurting you?
Yes, they pinched my fingers. Oh, my best friend just liked my video. Okay, sir, you break into people's houses on Roblox. Okay, I'll be back. Who's gonna rate a pop? No, I need to go get the water slide.
This, I can't remember what this is called, but I like to play with these. I'd play with them for, like, they're good when you're bored. They're hard to do, though. Yeah, what are they called?
Puzzle cube?
Yeah, they're hard. This one is especially hard. As soon as you think you're getting somewhere, boom, the ball goes through the hole.
Look, guys, there's holes in it, and, like, it's stuck in there. Yeah. So what do you rate it?
I'd give that an 8, because I like to play with it.
Okay.
This feels like vomit in a bag or something. But she really likes these things. Hard to hold on to.
Oh, my God. Story time, guys.
We used to have one of these that was bigger. And
oh my God, my mom and me and my best friend and my mom and my dad, me and my best friend found those, and my mom was trying to pay for it. It was like it was okay. It was like perfectly in the package, and all of a sudden it just slipped out, and we cannot hold it to nothing.
No, you're supposed to be in the video too. Here, turn a little bit.
So we're saying they were okay there.
Excuse me, sorry about all that. Excuse me.
Okay, anyway.
But these
has little fishies in it.
Yeah, I like playing with these, but the other one, like, huge, and it was hard to hold on to, but I give this one a 10.
It popped, and I was literally so sad.
10.
This one isn't as hard to hold on to like the other one, though. That was, oh my lord.
Right.
What is that?
Pea popper.
Oh my god, guys.
It's
This is
the
such
pea
a
popper.
good pea popper. Like, look. It's so good. It's broken.
Oh, yeah.
So rate it.
And your peas are gone. Yep, so this pea popper.
And I lost my other one at the campground that we basically own.
Yeah. Well, this I'll have to give a 4. It's missing stuff. And it won't stay closed. It's ruined. Look, its stem's coming off.
I lost my
Stem's
other
all
one
jacked
at a
up.
campground that we own.
Yeah.
But it's fine because my fidget pack is a lot. It has a lot. So. What are you trying to write here?
I am trying to get them apart here.
Okay. Are you trying to write that?
Yes.
Then write.
What is this?
I don't know where the other globble went. It's a globble.
Globble?
Yes.
I like, globbles are pretty cool.
Go
You
to the
stick them
ceiling.
onto your ceiling. You stick them on the
And
wall.
these ones are the off-brand, so if it pops, nothing will come out besides air.
I give them like a 9 because I like throwing them.
And these can't pop as easily
Right?
because all that's in there is air. Like literally
These
air.
are same things, right? This is
No.
a globble, ain't it?
No, this is a Crystal Nido.
Oh, Crystal Nido.
Well, halfway Crystal Nido. What are you rating, the mochi or this?
Both of them at the same time.
Okay, so
This
I'll
mochi,
rate one.
I think it is
It's a frog, by the way.
Yep, it's a frog.
Glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark, and I like them. They're pretty neat.
They get dirty.
I'll give them a 7, but
They
yeah,
get
because they get dirty.
So this is a Crystal Nido. It basically is a Crystal Nido. Like, literally, it's just basically a Crystal Nido. I got this from a gas station. You guys, do people have pilots in? Yeah, so you guys might have this. I don't know, though, but I can't remember what it was called. I think it was just called Stress Ball with Glitter.
I think so.
Yeah.
What's the main purpose of those? What are you supposed to do with them?
These bike chains?
No, them.
What, these?
Yeah.
They're just supposed to squeeze them.
Just squeezing?
Yeah,
You
they're
can't throw
supposed
them?
Well, you can, but that one ain't sticky no
That's
more.
sticky, huh? What do you rate that?
I rate that a 10.
10?
10. It was only $3 too.
Yellow, for one, your favorite
Yes.
color. All right. This is a bike chain. Oh,
That's the
These-
only bad thing about this is like it.
they get tangled.
Yeah, and then
They get inside of each other, and they're hard to get back out.
that's why.
So, I like when you can play with it, and it does right,
Like
but
this.
it gets tangled a lot. So, I give it about an 8.
I give it
They
a
are
6.
pretty neat.
I give it a 6 because it's amazing for school. It gets tangled again,
Yeah.
and they're kind of just boring. And I named them bike chain.
Uh.
When I first opened it, I'm like, oh my god, my bike chain. My mom's like, you didn't get a bike. You got a fidget.
Here's more poppets. I'll give that like an 8, I think.
I gave that a 6.
This poppet, as soon as we got it, it was broke. It
Screw
sucks.
Amazon.
Yeah,
Screw
don't get
it.
them from Amazon. I give this a 2.
But listen to it, guys. Listen.
Nothing. Hardly.
Yeah, it's good, Dad.
You think so?
Yes, listen.
Oh, yeah. That side's a lot better. This,
The poppet I got from my friend. Don't worry. She did it. That like just broke when I was playing with it. I don't know.
she didn't give it to you like this, did
Yeah, no.
she? And this is a pretty good poppet. About like the ones you got from Kroger, kind of.
But a lot softer.
Yeah, a lot softer. I give this one an 8. It's pretty good. And it almost fits my fat finger. Bunch more of these little mochis.
Oh, you're missing one. You're missing two, actually. Oh my god, Dad. Stop dropping the
I'm
emojis.
sorry.
Okay, so we're going to lay them all out. So, oh my. So we got an alligator, a little duck. Oh my. Put that in. They can't see it. Now they can't see. Oh my. Okay. These are really sticky.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll rate the turtle. You go ahead and pick one to rate.
The gator.
Okay, the gator. I'll pick the bunny.
Pick the duck.
Okay, I'll pick the bandicoot. Okay, you rate yours first.
Love this alligator. I think it's very cool looking. Probably
Oh,
like
it
one
is
of the
so
coolest looking ones there is.
And it's not even sticky, guys.
I'm giving it a 10. I like it. This duck, it's kind of cool. It is really cool.
Oh,
really.
we shouldn't rated the most.
But everything's sticking to it. It's pretty sticky.
We should have rated the mochi when we did the other mochis.
Yeah, that's all right though.
It's okay. He's left
You remember
out.
this one? Which one did we rate him at?
I rated. Wait, him?
Yeah, which one did we rate?
The
him?
duck?
No,
No, the frog. Oh, I rated him a 10 because he's a frog.
Yep. And this, I'm gonna give this an 8. Actually a 9, because they're pretty cool. Your turn.
No, you still have one.
I only had 2. You had 3. Only had 2. Yep. Go ahead and rate yours.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm positive. There was 5 of them, besides that one.
Oh yeah, true. So that one was yours. So okay. So first I got a bunny. Yeah. He had some. Yeah.
Issues. Issues, you should say.
He's really dirty. He got some string. I don't know where that came from. He got some hair. He got some. He can be turned into a globble. Like literally fill him.
Yeah, he's like.
Oh my God!
Stuck.
He sticks, guys.
Stuck.
He sticks.
He didn't come back down.
Marley liked my video on TikTok. So I got this little turtle, absolutely my favorite, because like turtles are my favorite
Still
animals. Look, turtles are one of my favorite animals. And we literally have a stuffing turtle in the garage.
Yep.
And I rate that on 1,000. I rate this little bandicoot cat thing. I don't know what it is. I got this from Great Times. He's kind of sticky, but he's kind of not at the same time. And I rate him in 7 because he's kind of sticky. Okay. Okay, so you rate this. I rate this. And this goes back, and then you rate this.
Okay. Who's first? Getting down to the nitty gritty here, folks. But we do have this.
Another monkey noodle.
Another monky noodle.
It's like a yellow, I guess.
This thing will swing out pretty far. And you know, I remember I said I like to smack her with them. I'm going to have to give this a 10. Because I
am not getting those no more.
I love it.
Crap, those come in my fidget pack. Okay, so we both have some of these. I have another one right here, but...
These are awesome.
These are called acupressure rings or sensory rings.
I like them. They feel weird on your
They
fingers.
kind of like break easily, as you can tell. This one kind of like is getting like to the rough side. And they kind of hurt your fingers though, because one day I left it on and I literally left a mark on my fingers.
Don't want to leave them on for long.
But I rate them a 5. What?
Massages your fingers.
Yes, it does.
Kind of cool.
And then that happens.
Yeah, and then they'll fling away from you being careful.
I rate this a 5 because there's a downside about it, but not a downside. A downside is it hurts. The upside is good for school, like super good for school. Nobody will think this is a fidget. Good for school. Massages your fingers. And they come in a lot of colors too. They come in black, this white, this silver. I don't know what color that is.
They really give you something to fidget with if you're nervous.
Yeah. So, yeah, I have more fidgets coming.
This is all the fidgets we got to rate today, but I would have to say I give these a 10 because I like them.
Yeah, I give these a 5 though. So tell me if you want my mom to rate my fidgets. She's gonna be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
She's not crazy about them.
She literally hates them.
I like them, but
we'll rate my fidget pack when I get it, cause that will be fun.
Yeah.
But yeah.